This is how to add coin on the Tonkeeper wallet. First thing you want to do is go ahead and head on over to the App Store. Go to search and look up Tonkeeper. And there'll be two different ones here. Just make sure you click the first one that says Tonkeeper Ton Wallet. Make sure to update and install it. Once you have updated and installed, let's open up the app. When you open it up, it's going to ask you to go ahead and make your account. So go ahead and sign up or log in previous to one that you made before. However, which way, we're going to first start by adding a wallet so we can start adding coin into that. So on the top here, it's going to say wallet or something else like new wallet. We're going to press on that. Here, we're going to press on add wallet. It'll give you options if you'd like to create a new wallet, an existing wallet, or pair with Ledger. Let's go ahead and just add a new wallet. Now here you will see a bunch of customizable options that you can choose. You can choose any emoji and any color, and you can also name it anything you want. So I like this, so let's go ahead and press save. Now that you have created this wallet, we're gonna go ahead and add some coin by going to receive right here. And here it will be your QR code for your Tonkeeper wallet. So if you're receiving from somebody else in person, they can scan this QR code with their phone to send you some coin. But if you're doing it yourself, you go ahead and press copy right here. Once you do that, and the top's gonna say address copied. And now that you have your link copied, you're gonna head on over to whatever crypto app that you use, crypto.com or Coinbase. And when you go to Coinbase or the crypto, you're going to want to send a certain amount of coin from that app to the address that you just copied. So for example, if I was sending somebody some coin on Tonkeeper, I want to go ahead and press send right here and then immediately paste their link right here, just like that. But it doesn't work for me because this one is obviously my link. That is how to add coin on Tonkeeper.